Want to learn how vintage Geiger counters are calibrated?
You do? Okay, perfect. Let's calibrate this LED in the Model 2. The first thing we do is select a probe, and then lock down the proper operating voltage for it. I grab an ultra-high impedance voltmeter with a 1 gigaohm input impedance and connect it to the measuring device. I then remove the calibration cover to expose the potentiometer labeled HV. I power up the Model 2 and use a screwdriver to adjust the voltage until the voltmeter reads 900, which is what my chosen probe needs. Next, I calibrate the analog gauge by ensuring that the needle is aligned with the 0 position on the faceplate while the instrument is turned off. I can change the 0 position by inserting a screwdriver into the bezel. A pulse calibration must be performed to ensure the instrument reading aligns with the incoming counts, and I can do this using this pulser that I hand built. I ensure a steady connection with the Model 2 and power both the pulser and the Model 2 on. I enable the pulses and then dial in the amplitude until I get counts on the meter. The Model 2 is set to the lowest range of times 0.1, and then a low pulse frequency is set. The 0.1 potentiometer is adjusted until the meter reading matches the pulse input. I then do several more checks across the lowest scale to ensure linearity. I then increment the pulser to 800 CPM, which is full scale on this meter, and find that the meter reading is perfect. I then go to the next scale and do it all over again until I get to the last scale. And once that's done, I have a fully calibrated meter. Well, except for field calibration, which I can't really do without having a license for much better sources than I have on hand.